Professor Vikas Sinha, the former director of Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics and VCC, in his word in the Telegraph, talent born and nurtured in Bengal have been flocking to Mumbai and Bangalore to advance their careers. It is time to end long history. Professor Sinha is very much true. This is the high time to end this long history. Even after government opened up the education for private players, mass exodus has not stopped. Unfortunately, COVID-19 has given the opportunities to stop this mass exodus from West Bengal. But it needs to take proper painstaking planning and execution to reverse this trend. The talents candidly admitted that they do not have any faith in West Bengal educational system. According to them, there are no exposure, no infrastructure, and the education system is not also up to date. A considerable chunk of students aspire to complete their studies abroad and out of state because they think that their friends who are studying abroad, outside state, are more advanced than the students who are studying in West Bengal. In a parent version, for the past few years, Bengal seems to be caught in the labyrinth of archaic laws and infrastructure. It has not got anything right politically and economically. It is not also like that backdated syllabi and the lackadaisical behavior to upgrade the facilities by inducting more subjects and providing scope to the students to study these subjects have led to migration from West Bengal. Placement and exposure are the main reasons that the students move away from West Bengal. The undergraduate engineering course does not breed any favorable environment for campus placement. That's why there were huge rush in engineering colleges in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai. And what are the strategies to halt this talent exodus from West Bengal? West Bengal joint entrance results should come out at the earliest along with the West Bengal higher secondary results, which are delayed due to COVID-19. And the students should take admissions. The students who are born and nurtured in Bengal should take admissions in the colleges nearby their home. They will be allowing in the luxury of home also. Forget about propensity to travel in different cities in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai in this pandemic period, because in these cities they have most of the affected areas by coronavirus. Government needs to take creative opportunities for youths to stem this brain drain and needs to urgently address the flight of intellectual capital and to inculcate the entrepreneurship and investment. Entrepreneurship is linked to investment. To attract investment, domestic and foreign, the state must advance to ease of doing business. Capital formation is a value not considered worth possessing. That's need to change, and entrepreneurial spirits must be flourished.